Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger not sending messages, right? So you have to do one more thing. You have to just go into the Facebook Messenger app, and basically before that, you have to check whether your internet connection is working perfectly fine or not. So just go to any of the browser, and here you can just search here speed test, okay, and just hit the enter, and after that you can just click on run speed test, and here after that it will show that what's the speed of my internet, and a 3 mbps is pretty fast. So if you just get 1 mbps, then it is enough just to send your Facebook Messenger messages, right? And after that, if this is perfect fine, and even though if you are not able to send the messages, then you have to do one more thing. You have to just go to the Play Store here, and here on the search bar you have to type messenger, okay, and just hit the enter, and after that you have to update the app. Right now you can see that I'm getting option to update, so I will update the app right now to work it perfectly fine. And even though it is not working, then you have to just click and hold the app, then you have to just go to the app info. You can go from the settings too, then just go to the storage usage and just clear the cache. After clearing the cache, make sure that you clear the data too, and clear the data will definitely fix your problem, because this will delete all the unnecessary file that is present in your Facebook Messenger mobile application. And this is it guys. If you found this video really helpful and informative, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video.